Hey guys, I want to show y'all what I got from this brand called 90s Baby Cosmetics, and it's my first time getting their products. And here's the box, and it has a cute sticker. It says thank you for your order. And then it has a little Lisa Frank sticker, and it comes in this white box, and it had a cute outer package like wrapper thing, and then when you open that up it has this white box. And then I got two different bundles from 90s Baby Cosmetics, and I've already looked through this stuff and I've already used the products, so I'll have a video coming out after the unboxing. And it had bubble wrap on top, and I had ordered this in October, and I was hoping this stuff would have come before Halloween, because what I have in here, one of the bundles is like a Halloween themed bundle, and I'll go ahead and show you that. But I ended up getting two different bundles, so I'll show you the Halloween bundle first, everything that came with that, which the Halloween bundle was at the bottom, but I just went ahead and blended it all. But here is everything that came with the Halloween themed. And once you take everything out, it's got all this like little tissue paper stuff, and it also has like several different fall leaves, so it's really cute. So it's all that little decorative stuff. So I'll take everything out that came with the Halloween bundle. Oh, and the other thing that came with this bundle, I already put in my hair. It's a velour scrunchie, and it is a like a rusty orange type color. I don't think y'all can see it too well. There it is. So it's this color. So it's a perfect fall color. So that came with this bundle that I'm fixing to show you. So here is the main thing from the bundle, and that's what drew me to this brand and made me want to try it. And this is their, I guess, Halloween eye palette, and it's called the Sanderson Sisters. How cute is this? And it has this outer plastic sleeve, and it's like a cartoon version of the Sanderson Sisters. And it looks like we've got a cute broom, a cat, a cauldron, and a spell book. How adorable is this artwork? How cute. This is a 9-pan palette, and this company is cruelty-free. It doesn't say vegan, it just says cruelty-free. So I'm not sure if that means the same, vegan and cruelty-free, but it just says cruelty-free. So here is what the 9-pan palette looks like. And I just did a video using this eyeshadows, the eyeshadow palette. And this is very pigmented, and I use these two top shades, this middle second row, and this purple metallic shade, and this brown matte shade. That is what I used to get this eye look that you see. And I did a video of me trying this palette out for the first time. So if you want to go watch that, you'll see how I came up with this eye look. It's very, very pigmented. The colors blended in beautifully, and I think it's a very cute palette. But I'm not sure if I really love the colors that I used together, but this palette is very good, and I cannot wait to try out the other palette. So it comes with a scrunchie, the 9-pan sister palette, this really cute set of lashes. They had 3 different lashes to choose from with this bundle, and it's 3 of the sisters you could choose. So I chose Mary, and here's what Mary lashes look like. And the reason why I chose Mary was her lashes were shorter, and I would have tried the lashes on, but I don't have my lash glue with me. So I'll have to do that another time, try these lashes out. Look how adorable this box is. I will be keeping the box. It comes with a little thing of glitter, and I never use these on my eyes. I end up putting this with my nail stuff, and I like to use nail glitter and stuff, so I always put it with my nail glitter. It also came with this. I'm not sure what the purpose of this is, but it's like one of them plastic wands, like a mascara or eyebrow. I don't know what the purpose. I don't know if it's in there just to make it look like a broom or what, because it doesn't come with like eyebrows or mascara or nothing. And then it also is supposed to come with what it showed in the picture was like a little cauldron with candy, but this is what they put the candy in instead. So it comes with 5 pieces of candy, which I'll give some of this to my kids. I may eat a few of the candies, but. So that is what came in the Sanderson Sister bundle, and the hair scrunchie, and this glitter. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items, which I don't know what the purpose of that is. So here's everything. So, and I already tried the eye palette, and I love it. Very, very good quality. So I'm glad to have tried that out. And then the second bundle came with 2 scrunchies. So we have a light lavender and then a really pretty blue. And it's the same as this, just that one's like a burnt orange. So these are kind of more summery spring scrunchies, which I love wearing scrunchies. And let me put this stuff away before I lose it. It also came with this this Starry Sweet Kissing Lip Smooth Watering Gloss, and it's a big gloss. 1 second, I'm almost done. Okay, and it's in the flavor cotton candy. And I did try this out. That's what I have over my lipstick, and this does not smell like cotton candy. It's more of a coconutty, vanilla, caramely smell. Nothing like cotton candy. But, so I was excited to try it out, thinking it was cotton candy smelling, but it's not. But here's what it looks like. It's a nice gloss. It's not one of my favorites. Kind of reminds me of Vaseline. It feels real nice and smooth on the lips, though. And the palette that came in this bundle and it had the bubble wrap, but the other palette did not have bubble wrap, like with the palette inside. But this is the palette it came with. It says, "Don't You Wanna?" And this looks like something from their like summer collection, is what I'm guessing. It also has the outer package. And here's what a better look. And neither of these palettes have mirror, and this is also a 9-pan. And you've got a few metallics and mostly mattes. And I already swatched these. But these are like summery colors, and these are all like fruit names. So it's really cute. I can't wait to play with this. And also came with one more item. And this bundle came with a really pretty pair of lashes. This one's called Bratty Babes. And I love this container. And on the back it says K11. Not sure if that means anything. And I think they sell these on their website where you can just buy these lashes. I don't think you have to buy the bundle. But it's like a little crystal or diamond or whatever. I love this container. I'm totally keeping it. So here's a better look at the lashes. They're a little longer than the Sander Sister lashes or the Mary lashes. They're really cute. I think these are my favorite over the Mary lashes. And I love the container. It's so cute. It's like plasticky. So this is everything that came with this bundle, from 90s Baby Cosmetics, 2 scrunchies, a pair of really cute lashes, 9-pan Don't You Wanna palette, and this Starry Watering Gloss lip gloss in the shade Cotton Candy, which it does not smell at all like cotton candy. So, that came in a bundle together. Kind of reminds me of summer. And to be honest, online, the lashes looked horribly cheap, to be honest, but they look a lot nicer in person. And these lashes look nicer than the Mary lashes. These don't look as cheap. I'm just saying. But, anyways, I can't wait to try out the lashes, which I would have used the Mary lashes on this eye look, but I did not. I don't have my lash glue with me. But yeah, I'm super excited to be able to try 90s Baby Cosmetics. Like I said, I've only used one eye palette and a lip gloss, and I really enjoyed using the eyeshadow palette. The eyeshadow was amazing. The gloss was nice. It's not nothing I would order again, the gloss, but it feels nice and looks nice with this eye look. So yeah, definitely go check out. Oh, I forgot, with the summer bundle, I forgot it came with these silver hoops, and I love silver hoops, and I love that they're big. So that came also with that bundle. So yeah, I'm super excited to try out the other palette, and go check out 90s Baby Cosmetics. They have several palettes in little bundles, and you can buy individual things. And yeah, so go check them out. What I tried, I really liked and enjoyed. And they're an indie brand company, so I love supporting smaller companies. And yeah, that was fun creating the Sanders Sister eye look. And I'll be posting that video after this video. So yeah, go check that video out as well. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.